Hey gang, Poppy here. I promised you I would do a full unboxing when opal I had ordered arrived. So, directly from Jaipur, RJ3 something, the label they slapped over that one covers that. Or from 111 Buck Road Unit 1100 Huntington Valley, Pennsylvania 19006. Anyway, the opal. At least one of them. I ordered two. That's two. Well, I find one so far. Ah, okay. I might as well say the seller on this. This is an eBay seller. On eBay, the seller name is Australia Opal King. And shipping directly from India, he say. Uh, anyway, ah, hello. And he put them both in one package. Very smart. That way one doesn't get lost. Grr. Not you. You. Grr. Come here. Come here. Okay. There's the first one. And there's the second one. Don't look like a hell of a lot, do they? Well, of the two, this one here has the best chance of cutting a stone that I can sell for what I paid for the rough. This one here, with the sand, I have cut stuff of this quality before, but usually I didn't have to go above the $1 a gram bin at the local lapidary for this. This is not. This is definitely not worth the $25 I paid for. Well, this one obviously is going to have to cut enough to pay for these. Isn't that sweet? Yeah. Well, I could send it back, but as I was saying, I could send this one back. You know, uh, maybe I will. I mean, his ad in eBay said free returns. Well, for right now, put these here. Well, there's his card. There's the other one. On the back of the first card, there's pictures of opals. And on the back of this one, there's QR codes for online store QR codes. He's got his name, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Okay, well, put that stuff over there. Now's the fun part. I gotta set up my lap. It's not going to be as simple as usual because now that I've got a whole bunch of brand new diamond cutting laps. Okay, I'll have to break them in. I'll have to find a piece of glass. Just enough to give any loose crystals a chance to slough off. before I get into cutting opal. Well, anyway, you see it. This is what I got to work with. I might keep that second one and show you just how bad it can get. Good night from California.